Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9, 5th lesson, Introduction to Euclid Geometry, exercise 6.1. This is very easy and simple lesson. Now we will do third question. See beta, this is looking very lengthy but very easy question. Carefully listen. Consider two postulates given below. Here is given the two postulate. This is the first postulate, this is the second postulate. First we will read what is the postulate is there. Given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. This is the postulate 1 given. Second, what is given? See, there exists at least 3 points that are not on the same line. These two questions we will understand and we will draw the diagram. First, we will do first one. See beta. Given any two distinct points. So, you have to take two distinct points. See here I am taking two distinct points. Here one point, here one point. This point name is A, this point name is B. Two distinct point A and B exits at a third point C which is between A and B. First we will join these two lines, two dots. Okay. In these two dots middle, A and B exits third point C which is between A and B. So this AB line between you have to put the dot. It is a C. This is the first question meaning. See here once again, given two distinct points, A point, B point, 2 points given, that is A and B. There exists third point C which is between A and B. A and B middle you have to put one point, that is the C. See here, this is the first question meaning. Next, second question, carefully listen. There exists at least 3 points. 3 points we will take that are not on the same line. So we will take, see here, I am taking 3 points. 1, 2, see I am giving the name A, B, C. See, third point we don't want on the same line. So A, B, C I am taking. Now I am joining, see carefully listen. Now I am joining A and B. See here. See a third, what is their meaning? There exists at least 3 points. They are not in the same line. See here, these 3 points on the same line. A, B, both are in the same line. But third point, not on the same line. You take it like this. This is the finish. See here, these 3 points don't want on the same line. So, A, B and C. 3 dots you take it. You join it A, B. So, these 3 points are not same line. Finish this answer. First one we will take 3 dots. So first you take 2 dots A and B, middle you take C. Next second question meaning what? You have to take 3 points that are not on the same line. 3 dots you take A, B, C. Only A, B join it. These 3 are on the same line? No. Okay, finish this answer. Next is asking some questions. That one we have to reply. See here. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? So this is the first one we have to answer. See here, do these postulates contain any undefined terms? In these two postulates, any undefined terms are there? See here. Here point is there. Point also undefined term. In this one, see here line is there. Line also undefined term. See here, given any two distinct points, point is a undefined term. You can write it. Point is a undefined term. A and B, there exists a third point which is between A and B. Okay, in this one, what is the undefined term is there? Point is there. You can write it point. Second one also read. There exists at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Line also undefined term. So this answer is finished. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? See here, the postulate used undefined terms are, what are the undefined terms are there? In these two postulates, point is one undefined term, line is one undefined term. Write it point and line. This answer is finished. Next we will come here. Are these postulates consistent? Consistent means it is possible. These postulates are consistent. These postulates are possible. Yes, possible we did. See here. This is the first postulate. This is the second postulate. So these postulates are consistent? Yes, possible. See here, both postulates are consistent. See here, what is the reason? There is no contradiction arises from them. Okay, only this much is the answer. You have to write like this the words. So what is this meaning? Are these postulates consistent? Consistent means these postulates are possible? Yes, possible. So you can write this sentence. Next, the third one. Do they follow from Euclid's postulate? Explain. See, these two postulates are Euclid postulates. Already we learned in the introduction video. So postulates and axioms we learned. Not listen means we can see it once again. Okay. See, these two postulates from Euclid's postulate. No, this is not a Euclid's postulate. So they do not follow Euclid's postulate. They are independent postulate. This is the answer. Very simple answer. Not understood means once again you catch it. Fourth question. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B, that AC is equal to BC, then we have to prove AC is equal to half of AB. Explain by drawing a diagram. First we will draw the diagram. See here, which line is there? AB is a one straight line. So now you take one straight line, that AB you can write it. Next, here given C is the midpoint of AB. So middle you take one point C. So in this one, what is given in the question? AC equal to BC. This is the midpoint. So this measurement both are equal. So AC is equal to BC is given in the question. Now we have to prove what? Half AC is equal to half of AB. This AC is equal to half of AB we have to prove. First you draw the diagram. Next, what is given we will take. What is given in the question? AC is equal to BC. This given we will use. So given you write AC is equal to BC. Both sides we will add AC. Adding AC both sides. Same equation you take. AC is equal to BC. Now both sides you can add AC. So here also add AC. Here also add AC. What is the reason? Equals are added to equals. The wholes are equal. This is which axiom? We are using axiom 2. Now adding after AC plus AC. What happens? 2AC is equal to BC plus AC. BC plus AC. Overall this is it's become a AB. So see here, BC plus AC. BC this measurement, AC this measurement. Full it's become a AB. Now you can write AC is equal to this 2 down nothing means 1. So after is equal to it's become a 1 by 2. AC is equal to half of AB. Now you can write hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. Now fifth question. See beta. In question 4, this is the question 4. In question 4, point C is called a midpoint of line segment AB. We have to prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. So this is the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Same diagram we will use. What is the fourth question diagram? AB is a line segment. In this one, C is the midpoint. So now we will prove in this question what? In question 4, C is the midpoint of AB. So C is the midpoint of AB line segment. Okay. Now we will prove what? Every line segment has one and only one midpoint. We have to prove. So same diagram we will use. First, what is the proof is there? First, fourth question prove what is there? First we will take. AC is equal to half of AB. This proof we will take. AC is equal to half of AB. From question 4, this one we have to prove. So AC is equal to half of AB. You write first equation. Next, here I am taking, we have to prove one and only one midpoint we have to prove. So I am taking extra one more midpoint I will take, that is the D. Okay. Next, I will take one more midpoint, that is the D. So one more midpoint I am taking means what is the meaning? D is the midpoint of AB. So now I am writing here AD is the midpoint of AB. Fourth question, what is there? AC equal to half of the AB. This meaning what? C is the midpoint of AB. But now I am taking one more midpoint, that is the D. So this meaning what? AD is the half of AB. So D midpoint means AD is the half of AB. Now you write this is the second equation. So from equation 1, see here, this is the left side, this is the right side. Right sides equal is there means left sides also equal. From equation 1 and 2, see These both are equal is there. So this one equal to this one we will take. So now I am taking AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD means it means C and D are both coincide. So C and AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD is answer came. So from 1 and 2 we are getting AC is equal to AD. This meaning what? This C, D both are coincide. Coincide means same place. C dot also is there. Same place. D dot also is there. So it means C and D are the coincide. So C and D are both same places. C point also same place and D point also same place. It means C and D are the coincide. So now we can prove what? Every line segment has only one and only one midpoint. This is the answer where question we will do. This is very simple question. See in the figure AC is equal to BD. See beta. AC measurement, BD measurement both are same is there. Then we have to prove AB is equal to CD. This AB is equal to CD we have to prove. AC, BD measurement same is there. Now we have to prove AB is equal to CD. We have to prove. First given what is there I will write. What is the given? AC is equal to BD. This is the given. First you write it given. To prove what is there? AB is equal to, we have to prove what? AB is equal to CD. We have to prove. See proof, we will use the given and we will prove. See first I am taking the given. What is given in the question? AC is equal to, this is BD beta. AC, what is given in the question? AC is equal to BD. What is given in the question? AC is equal to BD given. Now we have to prove AB is equal to CD. We have to prove. So now we will take given, we will take AC is equal to BD. Given we will take AC is equal to BD. What we have to prove? AB is equal to ABCD, same we have to prove. So given, to prove our proof time I am using the given. What is given in the question? AC is equal to BD. Here carefully listen. See, AC means what we can take? AB plus BC we can take. AC means AB plus BC we can take. So this AC plus this full AB plus BC I am taking here. AB plus BC I am taking is equal to BD plus I am taking what? BC plus CD. So BC plus CD. So AC is equal to I am taking AB plus BC. BD is equal to I am taking what? BC plus CD I am taking. So any cancel chances is there? This one, BC, BC cancel. What is remain? AB is equal to CD. So our proof what is there? AB is equal to CD. Now you can write hence proved. Okay. The question. Why is axiom 5 in the list of the Euclid axiom considered a universal truth? So here how many axioms are there? Euclid's axioms 7 are there. Now we will take the fifth axiom. What is the fifth axiom is there? Axiom 5 is whole is always greater than the part. It is a universal truth. You can take any example. See here I am taking one pizza. See here pizza I am taking. This is a whole full. Next, in this pizza too, I am taking one piece. This one piece is a part. Now you compare this part, this full pizza means which one is big? This pizza only big. This part, this pizza comparing means pizza only big. So whole is always greater than the part. This is the example of axiom 5. So this axiom 5 is the universal truth. These axioms are universal truth. In this one, fifth axiom is the whole is always greater than its part. This is the axiom 5. This is the last question of this fifth chapter. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel.